Presenting the HP 13th generation Intel Core i7-1355U, 16GB DDR4, 512GB SSD. It has files and applications. It comes with Intel ISP graphics and perfect for high-definition video playback, casual gaming, and graphic-intensive tasks. It comes with substantial memory and storage at 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe NVMe.2 SSD and ample storage space. It has micro-edge display. Immerse yourself in the 15.6 inches Full HD, anti-glare, and micro-edge display. It comes with 41 watt-hours battery, extended usage for up to 7 hours and 45 minutes, and day with HP fast charge support. The delivery box contains laptop, power adapter, and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.